Hey, blockchain users. Today we are going to talk about AI. The reason for that is that yesterday I made a huge video about Alex Becker's favorite AI coin, and for some reason I skipped one that I shouldn't have. So today we're gonna fix that mistake and look at one more AI coin. But before we do that, we are going to take a look at Bitcoin. As I am recording this video, we are seeing a breakdown below 64K. Now, before we talk more about that, I want to take a look about what happened here. So the last time I was talking about Bitcoin, I was expecting a close above 69K, which would have been a bullish signal. Instead, we saw a very weak daily close. And this is something that will happen over and over as you do more trading. Sometimes we have a bullish signal, and then it immediately gets invalidated or quickly after. When this happens, you have to flip your thinking and go from bullish to bearish, which is hard to do, but it's something you have to get used to. Now, what we saw was indeed a continuation to the downside after our bullish signal was invalidated. And on the very short term, when this is happening, so since this support broke down, well, the next one is our 50% level at 62K. Now remember, as long as we're above our 0.5 fib level, it's good. And if we go below, it's bad. So for now, we are still just looking at a balanced and fair correction, potentially before our next move up. Or the even more likely scenario is we've been going sideways for a while. Well, it'll be more likely that we see more sideways action. If we do not see that, if instead we see a close below this price level, the next support will be these old tops around 60K. Let's take a look at the Anyone coin that used to be called the Airtron protocol. As you can see, I made a Frankenstein of a chart. So the orange line is the Anyone coin and the white bars are the old Airtron protocol. It's the same chart. As you can see, was following each other very closely. It began to depeg as the liquidity got pulled out, and right now it is slowly recovering. So we're just gonna pretend it's a single chart as usual. So let's take a look at our list. So higher lows, nope, it is making lower lows. Is it above the 0.5 fib level? It is not, so it's in the bad half of the tool. Is it above the previous accumulation zone? No, it's basically inside of it. Is it above important old top? Again, it is not, although it is above this one, but barely. So for me, it's still bearish. As for the all-time high, it is 65% below its all-time high. So all in all, this is a coin that's looking very bearish. The only kind of redemption is that I want to point out that when a very big fear event like this happens and the liquidity got, liquidity got pulled out and all of that, these are good buying opportunity. But since the chart is still bearish, personally not interested. But if for some reason you really like the fundamental of this project, do keep in mind that this is a very high fear event, which can be a fine point of entry. Do the thing with the YouTube button. Thanks, and I will see you next time.